Welcome one, welcome all to the first ever Rob Actually Draws art commentary, where I run you down through a piece that I created and explain the little things that are going through my head as I was creating the illustration. So you want to dive into the deep mind of Robbbdraws, huh? Rob Drizzle, you want to see this? You want to know about the secrets? Well, first I got to give you some information, okay? Hold on, listen up. Detective Stone was created by Luke Robinette. Thank you, Luke, for commissioning me. And Detective Stone? Well, he's a detective, and he turns his body into stone. And he's this dark, gritty, dude that hangs around like alleyways for no reason, and is just always got like this problem, like he's got to look over his shoulder, like, what have you been up to, bro? Seriously though, shout out, Luke. Thank you for commissioning me for this piece. It was a ton of fun. Check out how ugly some of those line arts were. Like, I was just sketching in these ugly little sketches, and with each sketch I got a little bit more confident, and eventually I started kind of fleshing out details of this character with each extra line art layer that I create. With each layer I got more confident in my line art strokes. I was really just trying to avoid saying strokes. This is my weird way of saying, hey, your drawing is gonna look like shit initially, but it will look better with time. So I've created this image, and just imagine this, like you have like a little model at home of like this exact scene, and it's of this alleyway that I've kind of started to sketch out, and this dude in the middle with his dog. So basically I need to put a camera in that little model set and kind of create the perspective that I want to be seen. I want it to be dynamic, but I don't want it to be so crazy because I want people to kind of see all the details clearly. And that is that we got this Spike Spiegel looking motherfucker here with his dog for some reason, and for some reason he's got an umbrella right now. I don't know, but that little set that you create and where you put the camera and how you color the set and how you light the set, that is this drawing. That is all of these drawings. It goes from these weird stages because you don't know what the set looks like, but you build it from scratch. I use like some New York street or like alleyway as reference, and I just kind of put these characters there, these creepy tall dudes in the back. The character in the middle walking like Spike, because I totally traced Spike in that one part if I didn't cut that out. But yeah, I also really just want to focus on the fact that all of these things obviously require a ton of practice, and the idea to be able to create this set takes time, but you gotta start with understanding that these things move in a 3D space. And in my case, I really wanted this to be believable, so I had to kind of from the ground up reimagine a lot of these things. Like right here, I was able to kind of be like, how does this stone powers work? Like, how will it look when the skin is being covered by the stone, or does it transform into stone? All these things come from you practicing from like a lot of references. Like I use that a lot in this image is like, I go to reference for the alleyway, I go to reference for the dog, and you go from the ugly ass stages to then refining it with actually using knowledge, you know, from outside learning, from outside world, in order to have it actually be grounded and believable. So, Robbbdraws pro tip, just like draw from fucking references or some shit. I don't know, just learn things, draw over and over again, but make sure you do it correctly. Don't just draw the same thing over and over again and it's wrong. I don't know, there's a lot of lessons to learn, and this is the first Robbbdraws commentary, so I've been going a little crazy creating this, okay? I don't know what to focus on, but for the next one, I promise it'll be more organized. Yeah, this thing is just this little toy set you created, and after you kind of get everything there and you get to start adding in details, that's where you got this. You're done with the ugly stages, now you get to make that motherfucker pretty with this dark ass line art. I'm garbage at animal anatomy. Don't fucking judge me. So fleshing out the details in this final line art, I actually used a lot of up and down hatching, which is those little scratches you see. I used them for the brick, and I used them for the inside of his coat to kind of create texture. But also I was planning to have like fucking rain coming down, and you see the two dudes who are tailing him. I just wanted it to be kind of like this, like, oh, it's pouring outside and this dude's about to get his ass beat, but oh wait, no he's not, because look at that, he's got stone powers and a dog. And over here you'll actually see I'm actually doing a little Rob Demon. I put Rob Demons in all of my pieces, so if you so happen to find them, screenshot them and send them my way. I might throw you something, you know, just for funsies. When I start blocking the colors right now, you'll notice that I kind of go through a lot of phases. Once again, the ugly stages of art happen throughout the entire piece. So as I start making decisions about color, I realized that I don't want it to look like Suicide Squad. I start texturing and kind of adding like atmosphere to this alley with like fog and all these things. And atmosphere is essentially just the mood and the tone that I'm trying to set with this piece. Using the reference and then my own little bits of imagination, I was able to create this set the way I wanted to. So after seeing me go through all these stages and seeing it from the beginning of me going, hey, where would this character be? What am I trying to show? I've now come to this piece of me just kind of adding color on top of stuff and kind of just fixing and adding in little details and just trying to make sure that I get the message off right. And during this part, I just sit back and I just kind of, my brain goes into just, I'm zoning out. Because honestly, at this point, you've set everything up. You've set the framework, and when you have all your colors down, all you're really doing at this point is just picking up whatever color you have and just spreading it around and just trying to make things hard and soft. Fuck, man, it's so hard to do this. God, fuck. Anyway, honestly, it's chill. This is all over painting. You can erase all your mistakes. You can add white paint wherever you want. You even see I put it outside of the borders just to signify, oh, there's rain. I don't know, man. Art's awesome. I don't really know what the hell I was talking about during this whole thing. Oh, look, I'm actually doing my own typography right now. See that? I'm doing my own font and kind of look. All my pieces have my own font. What were we talking about? Man, I'm just trying to close this one. I don't know how to do it. Oh, by the way, you see how his pants are dark now, but earlier they were brighter? Yeah, thank you so much to Marissa, my amazing, beautiful, and smart girlfriend who was like, man, he's really bright. And I was like, true. I wanted it to be wet too. It's like, I don't know. She helped me a lot. And thank you to all the patrons. I was actually gonna shout you guys out, but man, I don't want to do that anymore. I'm just playing. Can I give video shout outs to Steven, Taro, Jess, Celebrity, Kostadin, Miles, Number, Bash, Jackson. Did I say Jess already? Miles, Kostadin, Celebrity, Steven, Number. If you guys like this video, it lets me know that you want me to make more of these. I promise I'll come back with a way better one. I'm really just rambling as this music rides out. It is 3 in the morning. I've done like 4 different versions of this video. I did not know how to approach art videos. I thought I knew, I did not. So yeah, cool. You thought I was gone? Nah, I'm still here. You still here? If you're still here, man, shouts out to you. I didn't even put anything here. This is just black screen. I'm too lazy, bro. Peace.